Hello and welcome back everybody. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So today I'm going to be sharing an amazing recipe with you, ricotta cheese pancakes. So starting off, into a large mixing bowl I have 3 large eggs that I'm going to be adding in with sugar. And with the whisk, I'm just going to whisk that all together until it's fully and nicely combined. After both those ingredients are nicely combined, I'm going to be adding in my ricotta cheese, and here we have buttermilk and salt. And I'm just going to whisk those ingredients together. Just like this, in this motion. Okay, so now on to our next step. Into another bowl, I'm going to be adding flour and baking powder, and I'm going to be using a sifter to sift that into another bowl. This is a vital step for nice fluffy pancakes. If you really like fluffy pancakes, I don't think you should skip this step. It's a really important step. So anyway, I'm going to be adding the sifted flour mixture into our wet ingredients, and we're just going to mix that together until it's fully combined. I'm just going to mix that all together. And you want a nice, runny, smooth consistency. And here I actually have a secret ingredient, lemon zest. So I used a whole lemon zest, but you can use half a lemon zest, however much you want. So here into my pan that is greased with cooking spray, I'm just going to be adding my pancake mixture. And there you have it, your amazing, fluffy, soft, moist ricotta cheese pancakes. I like them served best with berries and maple syrup. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.